Okay, so you need to assess your picture and say what shouldn't be here. Okay, so there's a big hair here. There's a hair here. There's a big dent in their garage door here. So there's a couple tools that you can use. The first one is the patch tool, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down. When you look at it, you're going to see the spot healing brush. Right click on it, patch tool. I'll just hold here for a second while you have a look. And the patch, there's two repair tools that I like using, the patch tool and the clone stamp tool. They generally do the same thing. I just find the patch tool faster. So if you can watch up here for a second, I'm going to draw a circle around on this area that I want to replace. But I need to make sure that I leave enough space for the computer to understand the environment around it, kind of like that. Okay? Now I'm going to drag it to an area that I want it to copy. But do you see here all these lines down here? This area is very different from this area. So I need to make sure I do a lateral drag. Like that. Okay, and now it's gone. So if I zoom out a bit, that's the before and after. Okay, you shouldn't be able to see any lines as long as you take the lines into consideration when you're moving them around. Okay, you can also use this tool for bags under the eyes. So if you're going to use it for bags under the eyes, she doesn't have a lot of bags under her eyes, but you're going to do the same thing. Make sure you do not get the eyelashes. Okay, and oh, that looks terrible. Also, Command Z will undo the last thing you did. And if you need to go back more than one step, you need to hold Command and Alt at the same time and tap Z. And you're going to kind of play with it until you like the way it looks. Okay, so if you see here, here's the before and then the after. So it's very subtle, but it gets rid of the extra little bags under the eyes. And then with the hair here, so the key is to make sure you get enough of the environment around the thing you're trying to eliminate. Otherwise, the computer doesn't understand what you're trying to get rid of. Also, you might notice that the person you took a picture of might have a little bit of shine on their forehead or their nose. You can also patch that out so it's a little bit more. Okay, and hello. So go ahead and practice that for a few minutes.